This is hands down one of the best films that I've watched in recent times. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review, and today I want to talk about a film that just left a hole in my heart. The last movie which impacted me so deeply was when I had watched Peranbu. I am talking about the 2017 Bengali film Nagar Kirtan. The film stars Riddhi Sen and Ritwik Chakravarti in the lead roles. And what a film this is. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just get into the analysis. I just want to bow down to Kaushik Ganguly for penning such a story. Like, wow. This story was such an emotional ride for me. The movie centers around two characters, Madhu and Putti. Madhu is a part-time flautist for a Kirtan group and a full-time delivery boy at a local Chinese restaurant. Then we have Putti, a transgender who lives in a building occupied by her trans community group. Due to certain circumstances, Madhu and Putti get acquainted one fine day, and eventually this acquaintance turns into love. The leader of Putti's gang, who is also referred as Guruma, is obviously against any of the members being in a relationship. The story is a struggle of these two individuals trying to live a normal life together, trying to be in a normal relationship like everyone else. Even after they decide to run away from Putti's Guruma, they are smacked with this harsh reality that wherever they will go, eyebrows are going to get raised. It is always going to be a struggle to make the world understand their relationship. I do not want to divulge much of the storyline because I genuinely want the viewers to watch this film and experience it for themselves. This is absolutely filmmaking at its finest. Even if it is not a perfect film, for me, this is a near perfect film. Kaushik Ganguly's writing is the biggest winner of this film. The sincerity of his writing just reflects in each and every scene. The beautiful complexity with which he has written the character arcs of both Putti and Madhu is so commendable. The way he wrote the story, it ached my heart, it made me uncomfortable, it made me feel shocked, it made me even speechless. I rarely feel so empty after watching any film, but after watching this one, I don't know, it just left me with this weird feeling in my heart. That is how powerful his writing is. The characters are so wholesome that by the end of the film, you would feel that you have witnessed a real life incident and a love story between two people. Absolutely full credit to Kaushik Ganguly. This is the kind of writing which shows the clarity of thought of a person who is confident of his craft. The movie will show the plight of the trans community in our country, but it is really not the kind of writing which is extremely in your face. It is not that there is a direct mistreatment shown of the community, but still, with the incidents that happen with these two main characters, you know how they are getting mistreated. And you will know that they are not seen in the same light in the society as, you and me. Kaushik Ganguly's direction is as good as his writing. There is a sense of maturity in each frame, and every single scene, every dialogue put adds a much needed layer and depth to the storyline. The direction is so realistic and rooted. Kaushik Ganguly has utilized 200% potential of his actors, be it the main actors or be it the supporting cast. When you watch the film, you'll actually feel that yes, in true sense, he is the captain of the ship, and as a captain, he has taken care of each and every aspect of the film. Like I have said before, that this movie for me was a near perfect film, and that includes the cinematography aspect as well. Cinematography is just top notch. The picturization of the shelter where the group of trans people were living, the chaos captured of the city streets where they collect money as part of their livelihood in the traffic signals, to the serenity and the simplicity of Madhu's home when he goes along with Putti to meet his family, or be it the scenes that captured Putti's past. Every frame is beautiful. Shersha Roy is worthy of nothing but praises for this cinematography. The background score is haunting, especially the second half and the final climax scene, which happens in like last 20 to 25 minutes. Those final scenes were so gut-wrenching, and added with that background score, it just made the whole experience so daunting on me. The score when Madhu and Putty realize that they're falling in love, the score when Madhu and Putty go back to Madhu's hometown, the score when Putty is getting harassed, the score when the last climax scene happens, everything. Guys, this movie is epic. Okay, let's come to the performances of the two main actors. Now, I really don't know how to put it correctly or aptly, but I'll try. Hrithik Chakravarti as Madhu gave such a mature and sincere performance. Madhu as a character is very complex in his thinking. He is a simple man, and yet he feels very confused of the feelings that he has for Putty. And I feel Hrithik has done so much, like full 200% justice to that role, because you could feel that tension and confusion on his mind, what his brain is going through, like why is he falling for this person. Everything was on point by this guy. There are two scenes particularly where he completely blew me away. One is the climax scene where it happens in a police station. That scene, the way he has emoted in that scene, I felt like, just going there in person and giving him a hug. And the second is the final scene when the movie is just about to get over. These two scenes, he just stood out for me. Riddhi Sen had won the National Award for this film for Best Actor, and boy oh boy, if he hadn't won the National Award, it would have been grave injustice. He is the soul of this film. His acting is just, it made me feel, I don't know, so happy, sad, so many things. It was just perfect. 200 out of 100 for his acting in this film. To portray an effeminate character with so much subtlety and maturity. I mean, for people who do not know who Riddhi Sen is, they are going to think that this person, Putty, is a real person. He is perfect in each and every scene, but there is one scene where he just completely blew me away. It is a scene where he is getting harassed by his own community, and that scene, I don't know, it made me feel so much pain that I paused the film after that scene. I paused it to just, take a breather, because it was so painful to watch. I couldn't believe it was the same Riddhi Sen that I had witnessed in the film Helicopter Ella. I mean, the difference in the acting and the performance is just so stark. This performance by Riddhi Sen and Hrithik Chakravarti is proof that if you are under a good director, if you are in good hands, the potential that director can bring out of you as an actor is unparalleled. Perfection, performances, like I said, 200 out of 100 for me. Now, the most important aspect of the film, the relevancy of this story. Yes, it is a story centered around two individuals, their love story, their struggle to be together, but it just gives out this whole big message to the audiences as well. At the core of it, at the heart of it, it is trying to say that trans people are human, just like you and me. They have a right to live normal life in the society. It shows that despite all the criticism and the raised eyebrows from the society, they own up their lives. They don't pretend. They know who they are and they don't try to hide it. It shows that they are driven by the same kind of emotions as us. They feel angered, they fall in love. Everything is the same. Feelings are universal. It shows the struggle that how a real life couple like this would face in the society to just get them accepted as they are. So many such things, and the writing is done with such subtlety. Like I said, it is not really showing all these issues as, oh, in your face, see, this is the problem. No, it is through the eyes of their love story, and it has blended in so well. All the points come across very, very clearly to the audience. Oh, this is a full-fledged absolute recommendation from my end. Do not miss this film. This film is streaming on Hoichoi TV. It is a streaming platform where you get a lot of good Bengali content. So please do watch this film. It is not to be missed. Like I said, regional film industry content, the content coming out from these industries, just mind blowing. So please do watch it. And that was my analysis for the Bengali film Nagar Kirtan. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have come till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.